So I just made a purchase that I don't completely understand, but I did it anyway. I purchased this Quasar VHS display stand. Now this would have been displayed in a store that sold either Quasar VCRs or TVs, etc. And they would be stacked on these shelves. There's 4 of them. So everybody could see. Perhaps there would be a TV on top. And so people could see the Quasar electronics and see how they worked. And this would help sell the Quasars. It's interesting because it does have a little camera stand up on top. I thought that this was just kind of bootleg later, but I realized it is a part of the stand. So they must have had a camera mounted up here, maybe attached to the TV. And so, you know, sometimes when you go into stores, etc., you can look at monitors and you could see yourself. And so it's always fun for the kids. But so this is something that I picked up. And so I'll stack on a few of my VCRs, etc., and see how it looks. And there you go. Everything's set up. I brought up some of my favorite electronic devices. From bottom to top, we have my Sanyo beta player right there. My JVC VidStar VCR. We have my Montgomery Ward video disc player, CED. My Sylvania TV with DVD. And we have a nice little Samsung camcorder up on top. One cool feature of this stand, it has these little hoops right here, which apparently are for the cords. So cord control, you got a hoop there, and a hoop there. So all the cords can be kind of strung in a nice orderly fashion. And so what am I going to do with this thing? I have no idea. It's definitely not going to stay here. My wife will not hear of it. So I'll probably break down the stand and put all my devices back where they were. But it's nice to see them all nicely displayed and wonderful looking. Bye-bye.